Glenmark Pharma has had some positive earnings, so the market is going to be reacting to that as well. But I think the key lies in the Nifty and the Nifty Bank itself, whether it's managing to hold through by those key levels and whether we manage to stick by and gain ground from that 11,200 mark. On your screens then, 11,233 is where we're currently at. Reliance starts a week, about 1% or so. Glenmark, like I said, is reacting to its positive numbers. Remember, there's been gross EBITDA margin improvement. Domestic markets are looking good. Others are in line. Interest costs lower. And that pretty much is good news. The stock is in F&O ban, but you're still holding out positively on that one as we speak. 365 back on ICICI Bank. So that's not looking bad at all. I just want to quickly check in on what a Motherson Sumi, what a Bharat Forge and then Eicher are up to. Remember, these were star performers from last week. Friday Sands, but these held out pretty okay. L&T makes it back to those 1,000 odd rupee per share levels. Lupin, the big buzzer from last week, that after a big dash of about 10% on a weak market day. Let's revisit Lupin as well and show you whether it's continuing to see some traction or not. TCS, ITC, these are seeing some green ticks on the screens right now. So it's an okay start, not bad, about 0.4%. One has to see whether this fizzled out or whether this move continues. Broader markets yet again outperforming the benchmark indexes. Indiabulls Housing, Chola Finance, Muthoot, Sun TV, Glenmark, your big movers. On the flip side, Tata Motors, Reliance, Tata Steel, Motherson Sumi, Interglobe Aviation are looking weak. It's a tentative start, Nikunj, right now. While the broader markets are holding out, the quality of names which are holding out within the liquid universe is not giving you too much conviction.
Yeah, it's okay start, you can't complain. And in terms of the absolute volume activity, I'm trying to pick up any stocks based on volume activity. There's nothing large which could be identified in a very meaningful manner. Pharma is just about okay. Tata Motor, Tata Steel, they're just about okay. Pharma, the downward slope of correction I think has started. And in terms of the total value transactions, nothing large. Axis Bank, I mean, yes Bank, we don't talk about it that much. But the odd one out for me is CG Power, where we know that some restructuring has really started. I'm not top of it, but I know something started there purely based on media reports. And then Z is jumping up today ahead of numbers at 166, 167.